How we can actually call functions? Well, to call a function, we need simply to use the function's name and parentheses. So if it doesn't have any parameters, then I'll call a function name with empty brackets and then a semicolon. Optional, but it is preferred to have it. This will execute the code in the function's body and will result in printing the following. So if I have print log function, that's how I call it, calling its name, the brackets, and after that semicolon. The response is TypeScript fundamental, which will be printed because that's what print log function is doing. A function can be called from any other function itself, and this is known as recursion as well. And here's some example. I have my function print, which console.log printed. And I have function another print, which basically what it's doing. First, it's calling this one and the print function, and then I'm calling itself this function as well, which is recursion.